Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola G71 5G. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. After that, open it. From this screen here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on Motorola and send on an Android. After that, you need to click on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of them right now, so I will go with this one song. Choose send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Motorola, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and click on receive. And now, as you can see, my song was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!